If your Elden Ring mods folder is causing startup crashes after the latest update, you need to fix this immediately. This guide tackles the Elden Ring mods folder startup crash after update issue head-on. First, we'll verify your Elden Ring game file integrity, which often resolves minor corruptions that mods can trigger. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from corrupted mod files or the loader itself, which brings us to method 2, reinstalling your Elden Ring mods and loader from scratch to ensure a clean slate. Should the problem persist, the culprit might be outdated mods or the script extender, leading us into method 3, where we focus on updating your Elden Ring mods and script extender to their latest compatible versions. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, we'll move to method 4, which involves a deep dive into Elden Ring mods folder troubleshooting steps, ensuring every component is correctly installed and compatible. We need to make sure your game files are sound. Then we'll tackle the mods themselves by removing them and reinstalling carefully. Then we'll get the latest script extender installed, because that's crucial for mod functionality. Finally, we'll check for any specific mod conflicts or corrupted files within that mods folder.